Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list of the options we have to find the apps. So let's tap on it. And then let's tap on see all 65 apps, of course 65 in my case, no worries. So tap on it and then choose the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got reset app preferences option, so the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on it, and here our device is informing us what we will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so you can simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. As you can see, this is the first evidence that we just successfully reset all app preferences because we have to select a home app. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.